Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer, and whether you're recovering from an injury or you need to be gentle on your joints, this low impact cardio session is still gonna get your heart rate up. You do need one yoga block. Go ahead and place it on the floor. I still want you to bring intensity to these exercises. Place your foot and we're gonna start stepping up. Drive that knee forward and then come back down for balance. And make sure that you feel secure on this yoga block. So you could always use a different stepping tool, or you could bring in a prop to help you balance. A couple more seconds here, then we're gonna switch to the other side. Go ahead and switch to your second foot. No pause in between. You can use your arms for a little momentum, a little bit more movement. Just because this cardio session is low impact does not mean we're not gonna be working. 3, 2, 1. Grab that yoga block with both hands. We're gonna drive our knee into it in 3, 2, and 1. So imagine you're trying to break this yoga block in half. I'm driving my knee up. Now don't do this to the point where your knee's gonna be bruised tomorrow. Just create a little bit of resistance for that knee. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Switch to the other side. No rest break between these movements. Kicking my backdrop. We're working. It's a real workout. Give me 5 more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. All right, place that on the floor. I want you to bring your leg up and over, up and over. You can put this yoga block on whatever height setting is challenging for you. So keep going. I'm gonna adjust this to the higher setting so that my knees have to get a little bit higher up. Go at whatever tempo feels challenging for you. You don't have to match meow. You don't have to match my tempo. Grab that yoga block, bring it up. You're gonna hold it in one hand. Make a fist with the other hand. I don't care what your lower body does as long as you're secure. And we punch that yoga block. So try and hold your lower body in one place. And we're just trying to create a little resistance against that fist. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Switch to the other hand. Here we go. Now I said this workout was gonna be gentle on your joints. I meant jumping wise. We're not running, we're not landing super hard in anything. But we are creating some resistance with this yoga block. And release. Last move for the circuit, little squat here, toss the yoga block, catch it. Toss and catch. So you can create some intensity here by straightening those arms out with power, reaching the fingers up towards the ceiling. You can even go lower in your squat if that feels good on your joints for 3, 2, 1. Okay, take a breather. We're gonna take 30 seconds. We're gonna do all of that over again. Grab some water, towel off if you need to. Your heart rate should be a little bit elevated. Place that block down on the floor. We're gonna go again in our second round. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up we go. Drive that knee forward. Now I'm more warmed up on this second circuit. I can speed my tempo up a bit. I also know that on a lot of these moves, I've only got 20 seconds. And switch to the other side. Here we go, drive that knee up. So I wanna try and get intensity up during that short amount of time that I have to work. 3, 2, and 1. We grab our block. Let's drive our knee forward. Here we go. Now, if you have knee pain and this movement is bothering it, go soft. If it's not, keep driving that knee forward. 5 more seconds, please. And switch, no rest between sides. We're not doing high impact, so we're bringing the high intensity. 10 more seconds. I'm trying to break this yoga block in half. Last one. Okay, bring that yoga block down. We're gonna do our kick over. I put it back on my high setting. I don't care what your hands are doing here. We're just trying to lift the knees up and over, trying to clear that yoga block. Give me 5 more seconds and then you're gonna grab it again. We'll go into punches. Grab that yoga block, bring it on up. Hold it in one spot. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. I'm using this yoga block like a punching bag. Chin is up, chest is out. We're also testing our grip strength on this. Last one, switch it over, no rest between sides. Can you break that yoga block in half with your hand? If you need to go softer, go faster but lighter. Either way, keep it up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here comes our toss. We squat, we toss. Remember, create that intensity. Straighten out those arms. Reach for the ceiling. Can you get that yoga block higher? Can you drop your squat lower? For 3, 2, 1. All right. One more 30-second rest break. We're gonna crank through a 3rd round of this. You're gonna feel so good after this. Heart rate is elevated. We got a smile on our face. Place that yoga block down on the floor. Last round of step up, start in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go, drive that knee forward. Can you go a little bit faster on this last round? If you can't, that's fine. You gotta do what you can do with your body. 3, 2, 1, switch sides, no rest. I want people to push themselves in a way that's safe for their bodies, but feels like a challenge to them, and that looks different on everybody. Almost there. Grab that yoga block, bring it up. We've got our knee drives in 3, 2, and 1, go. Remember, if you need to go soft, that's fine. Maybe try and pick up the speed on it. Ooh, my legs are starting to fire. And switch, no break. You could also think about bringing that block down to the knee. Firing up your core muscles. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Bring that down. Whatever height setting you want, we start swinging that leg up and over. Remember, I don't care what the hands do here. If you are in a situation where maybe you don't have a yoga block, you could always use a pillow to do this workout, like if you're traveling, or maybe you don't own a yoga block. There's a lot of different ways that we can make workouts accessible to people. Let's do one more kick up and over. Time to toss it up. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, just kidding, we gotta punch it. 3, 2, 1, sorry about that. Oh my gosh, almost forgot our punches. That's not acceptable. We got 10 seconds to go. You were like, don't take away my most therapeutic exercise. Switch hands, here we go. We're going over to 10 minutes, just a little bit. That's fine. And these 10 minutes, this is a great way to fit in your cardio for the day. Give me 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we got it, tosses. And up we go. Can you reach those hands higher, up towards the ceiling? Can you put more power into that toss? Can you get lower? Maybe just a little bit. Get that heart rate up higher. Give me 10 more seconds. We're almost to the end. And that's it. Excellent work. I built up a sweat, got a smile on my face, my heart rate is up. Did that favor to our heart and our lungs today. Thanks, heart and lungs. Thanks for working hard for us. If you like this workout, please give the video a like. Then go over to my channel. There are more workouts like this, low impact, 5 to 10 minutes, easy on the joint cardio. Subscribe to the channel and find all of those on there. My name's Natalie Carey. Thanks for being excellent to yourself today.